launching a rocket and also let's sail in a boat. Because I'm gonna show you how to make a paper rocket and a boat. So let's begin. First, let's make a boat. For this, we need a squared paper. Fold the paper into exact half. Again, fold into half. Now you can see 4 layers of paper. Fold one layer to this side. Fold 3 layers to the other side. Now open it like this and pull the 2 sides. Oh, this came out well. Come, let's try in the water. It's cool. Oh, I should not spill the water. My mom will scold me. Now let's launch the rocket. Take an A4 sheet and fold it into half. Unfold it. Fold like this. And fold like these. And fold like this. And fold like this. And fold it into half. And fold like this. Yay! Now the rocket is ready to launch.